Hey guys, today I'm going to show you just a quick little trick on how to subtract integers. So what that means is you might have a negative minus a positive, or a negative minus a negative, or a positive minus a negative. So that is what we're going to be working with today, and I'm just going to show you my one trick that will hopefully make subtracting integers a lot easier for you. So let's get started. For my first example, I have negative 3 minus 2. Now here is my one trick. My one trick is called add the opposite, okay? So what that means is I'm going to take my subtraction sign and instead I'm going to change it into add the opposite. So since this is add, and then this one's going to become the opposite. So the opposite of a positive 2 is going to be a negative 2, and then I'm just going to bring down the front number. Notice I did not change the front number. Negative 3 stayed negative 3. I add the opposite of whatever number came after that subtraction sign. So this number, please do not change it. Now look, I changed a subtraction problem to an addition problem. So now all you have to do is remember the rules from my video on adding integers. In this case, I have a negative plus a negative. I know that that is just going to become a greater negative number. So 3 plus 2 gives me 5. That's all you have to do. Change it to an addition problem by adding the opposite, and then follow the rules from the adding integers video that I have made. So if you forgot those rules already, or you still were not very comfortable with them, go ahead, watch my video on adding integers, and then when you go to subtract integers, all you need to do is change them to an addition problem. Just one more example for you so you can see this in a couple different ways. This time I have a positive minus a negative number. So 4 minus negative 5, I'm going to add the opposite. I'm going to keep my first number the same. I'm going to change my subtraction to addition because I'm going to add the opposite of negative 5 would be a positive 5. So now 4 plus 5, oh, I know what that is. It's 9. So like I said, just add the opposite anytime you're subtracting integers, and then all you have to do is remember the rules for adding integers. I hope that my little trick makes subtracting integers a little less intimidating than it might have been in the past for you. So if I were you, my focus would be, can I add integers? Because if you can add integers and just make that little switch of adding the opposite, then you've got this. You have got adding and subtracting integers, and you're going to be a professional. So good luck.